Have you ever wondered how your menstrual cycle impacts your everyday life, how it influences your mood, energy levels, and even your sex drive? Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Nima and I talk about health, wellness, and self-development for women. If you're interested in learning more about these topics, be sure to hit the red subscribe button below and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Today, I want to talk about cycle syncing. This concept has been life-changing for me, and I honestly can't believe it took me 27 years to learn about it because it's such common knowledge. The menstrual cycle is a roughly 28-day journey that your body embarks on, divided into 4 distinct phases: menstruation, the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. Each of these phases brings about unique hormonal changes that can significantly affect your well-being. First up, we have menstruation. This is the phase where you shed your uterine lining, a process we commonly refer to as having a period. During this phase, both your progesterone and estrogen levels are relatively low. Next comes the follicular phase, which overlaps with menstruation and lasts until around the 14th day of your cycle. Your estrogen levels increase during this phase, thickening your uterine lining and growing follicles in preparation for ovulation. Then comes ovulation, where a surge in luteinizing hormone causes a mature egg to be released from your ovary. This usually occurs in the middle of your cycle, and it's the phase where your estrogen and testosterone levels peak. Last but not least, we have the luteal phase. This is when your body preps for a possible pregnancy by increasing progesterone levels. If no fertilization occurs, your progesterone and estrogen levels will fall sharply, signaling the start of a new cycle. Now, how does all this affect your day-to-day life? Cycle syncing is a practice that involves adjusting your lifestyle habits, like your fitness routine, diet, and even your sex life, to match your body's hormonal changes throughout the month. During menstruation, you might experience symptoms like cramping, fatigue, and insomnia. This is a time for rest and recovery. Consider incorporating gentle activities like restorative yoga or mindful walks into your routine. In the follicular phase, you may find your exercise performance slightly reduced initially, but it improves substantially as you approach ovulation. This is an excellent time for longer, faster hikes, resistance training, or moderate cardio. During ovulation, your exercise performance and muscle strength peak due to a spike in testosterone. This is the perfect time to challenge yourself with high-intensity workouts or intense strength training. Lastly, in the luteal phase, you might experience a dip in energy levels as your progesterone increases. This phase might also bring about feelings of anxiety or depression due to a decrease in your body's natural serotonin levels. To boost serotonin and lighten your mood, include plenty of chicken, eggs, fruits, vegetables, seeds, and salmon in your diet. In summary, understanding the phases of your menstrual cycle and their impacts on your lifestyle can be empowering. By syncing your lifestyle habits with your cycle, you can optimize your well-being and lead a more balanced life. Don't be a stranger to your cycle, instead embrace it and make it work for you.